A Guide to Roth IRA. The idea of Roth IRA was proposed by Senator Bob Packwood of Oregon and Senator William Roth of Delaware in 1989 and originally called IRA Plus. The Roth IRA was established by the Taxpayer Relief Act of 1997 and named for Senator Roth. A Roth IRA is a tax-advantaged retirement savings account. In this plan, qualified withdrawals and growth in the account are tax-free. Let's explain how a Roth IRA plan works. This is John, a young professional. This is also John, 40 years later. He is uncertain about the tax rates in the future and wants to pay any income tax after his retirement, so he is contributing to Roth IRA account for his retirement plan. John pays a part of his money as income tax. The majority of the money goes to day-to-day expenses, and the rest goes to Roth IRA savings account. Since all contributions were made with post-tax money, John can withdraw the money tax-free when he retires. In Roth IRA, all the profits that he gains will be tax-free with certain conditions that we will discuss. As you see, we spend a lot of time for each video. Please help us by hitting the like button and share it with your friends. It will help us with the Google algorithm. Thank you. Let's continue. Let's take a look at the advantages of having a Roth IRA account. As we mentioned earlier, you can withdraw contributions at any time completely tax-free without paying any penalty. And also after 5 years, if you are 59.5 or older, you can withdraw your profits. You can contribute to a Roth IRA even if you participate in another retirement plan such as 401k. If a Roth IRA owner dies and his or her spouse becomes the sole beneficiary of that Roth IRA while also owning a separate Roth IRA, the spouse is permitted to combine the two Roth IRAs into a single plan without penalty. You can pass your Roth IRA on to your beneficiaries, and their withdrawals will be tax-free. It would be a great help for them, but you should plan for yourself first. If the account holder does not need the money and wants to leave it to their heirs, a Roth IRA can be an effective way to accumulate tax-free income. Beneficiaries who inherit Roth IRA are subject to minimum distribution rules. As maybe some of you don't know, required minimum distributions, RMDs, generally are minimum amounts that a retirement plan account owner must withdraw annually, starting with the year that he or she reaches 72, 71.5 if you reach 71.5 before January 1st, if later, the year in which he or she retires. Just like everything else, Roth IRA has its own disadvantages. Contributions to a Roth IRA account is limited by your household income. If your income is more than $139,000, you're not qualified for Roth IRA. Your contributions are capped, and this limit is changing each year. This means no matter how much you have for saving, you can contribute to the Roth IRA up to the limit announced that year for 2020. The maximum amount you can contribute is $6,000. If you're 50 or older, you can add $1,000 to those amounts. Let's get practical. Here are some of the investment options for your Roth IRA contributions and 3 investments you should always avoid. Penny stocks, also known as over-the-counter or OTC stocks, are common shares of small public companies that initially trade at low prices per share. Cash might seem a secure option for small investors, but this way your investment won't grow, so miss the whole point of retirement account. It is a good idea to have a little bit of cash on your Roth IRA, but make sure you are investing the rest. Short-term bonds have low interest and should be a small part of your Roth IRA account. You can invest your contributions to Roth IRA in bonds, stocks, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and in saving accounts with high interest. So in conclusion, the Roth IRA can play a good part for your retirement. In a Roth IRA, the benefit stems from the fact the money already is taxed, so it's able to grow tax-free. The Roth IRA, which has income limits for eligibility, also typically comes with fewer restrictions than a traditional IRA, which is generally taken pre-tax. However, it will be taxed when it is drawn in retirement. Disclaimer: in the end, this video just meant to get you familiar with this plan, so please do your research and discuss your options with your advisor. Thank you for watching it. For more videos about finance and banking, hit the subscribe button below. If you want to know more about the Roth IRA in comparison to 401k, we have detailed video that you can find the link in the description and here on the left side.